Good afternoon. Suppose we are in fever. What we will do? We'll go to physical doctor. Suppose we have pain in stomach. Where will we go? We'll go to physical doctor. Suppose we have any physical problem, we are going to physical doctor. They will give the medicine and our problem will be solved and we'll be feeling some relaxation. But have you seen that in your office or in your home, someone is sitting alone? He doesn't want to talk any person. He is not taking food properly. He wants to remain alone. Why? Then what to do? What is the reason? There is some psychological reason. There is some mental problem. So why don't we discuss about mental health also? Whenever you feel such persons are unhappy or are in depression, of course he is in depression, we should take help of this mental doctor also, to whom we may call psychologist. I'm not appearing in the exam that if I fail, what people will say. I'm not going on the stage because if I am saying something wrong, then what people will say. So this is our phobia, fear. And now you see, when you are in depression, some people make you the laughing stock, make you the matter of joke. They are also mentally ill to depress others and be happy, demoralize others. And the person who is becoming demoralized, he is again going to the depression. So both are patient, mental patient. Young children and boys and girls, they used to say that marry, otherwise will be doing anything. They have no need to take consent of their parents. Parents are just for symbol. So parents are on depression. And they don't realize that they have done some mistake. They are going to do some mistake. They are not taking help of experience of their parents. They never realize that they are wrong. So clash starts. So many side effect of this depression. No, they will speak something. He or she will be speaking something. So again depression, again tension. So there are so many regions of depression. We could not marry the desired bride or groom. So we are in depression. So how to get rid of that? Of course, we individuals are not expert for that. Some experts are needed. Mental health doctors. These mental health doctors are called psychologists. Yes, Indian Trainer Commerce this time has got opportunity to invite one great psychologist. She is qualified from United Kingdom Reading University. So she will be delivering a speech of what are the types of a mental illness, how to keep our mental health strong and positive. When someone depressed, suppose you also depress him by showing his demerits and his lackings, he becomes quiet. This cunningness and this attitude of demoralizing others and be demoralized, both are negative mental health symbols. We must overcome that. So why don't we talk to our great psychologist, Dr. Akanksha Sharma? She will be on 14th February from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Indian Trainer Commerce has organized this webinar like usual on this 14th from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Our chief guest will be Dr. Usha Jha, director of one big human organization. We want your problem to be shared by everyone in addition to whatever input she is giving, both are giving. You are also free to give your opinion, but of course, opinion of our chief speaker will be the best solution for our problems, mental problems. So let us join our webinar. Please be associated on Sunday, 14th February from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Web links I'll be giving to you all individually or and in Facebook also. Be ready to join our webinar. Welcome. There is no registration fees or entrance fee. All are welcome. Thank you.